Hello students, how is the Josh? I know your Josh is high, but with high Josh, one thing is very important, and that important thing is without proper planning, without proper strategy, don't begin with your study. So, please care and notice that planning strategy is very much important. Without delay, without joke, now begin with your topic. Chapter 7, and the name is Alternating Current. In this chapter, I will begin with the very important topic, that is AC generator. So let us begin AC generator. In the analysis of AC generator, 4 points: definition, principle, construction, that is diagram, theory. 4 points are important. Definition: what is AC generator? It is an electrical device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. I think you got it. Very simple definition. And now principle. It is based upon electromagnetic induction, EMI. And construction. The north-south pole, an armature like that. Here slip rings R1, R2, and carbon brushes B1, B2. Now the B1, B2 resistance, that is load resistance R, that connects B1, B2, and B1 connects the ring and the resistance, and this R1, R2, that is slip rings, they connects this armature and brushes. Whenever magnetic field passes through the armature, it rotates. Due to current carrying armature, this structure is armature. It is like a plane. When magnetic flux passes through it, then what happens? The normal, that is the area vector, and the magnetic field, they make an angle theta. On rotation, the flux varies from maximum to minimum, because whenever the magnetic flux linked with the coil changes, and EMF is induced. Here, the induced EMF is, that is induced voltage, is very important factor. For that, we have to know about the magnetic flux phi, that is equal to B dot A, that is BA cos theta phi, and theta is equal to omega t, because omega is equal to theta by t. And what is omega? Angular velocity. And theta, the angle between the magnetic field and area vector. Area vector is what? A perpendicular, the area that is perpendicular of the plane. This is the plane, and this perpendicular line is the area vector, direction of the area vector. So theta is the angle between B and A. Now we can write here phi is equal to BA cos omega t. B is the magnetic field, A is the magnitude of area here, and phi is the magnetic flux. Due to rotation of this armature, what happens? That flux varies from maximum to minimum, again minimum to maximum. If we differentiate phi with respect to t, d phi by dt, it is BA, the differentiation of cos omega t is equal to minus omega sin omega t. Okay, now we can write d phi by dt. We know very well that since E is equal to minus d phi by dt, so here minus d phi by dt, that will be equal to BA omega sin omega t. This minus and minus cut. In magnitude, what Faraday's second law says, d phi by dt is the induced voltage. You can write d phi by dt in magnitude. Its value is, it can be written as d phi by dt is equal to E B A omega into sin omega t. The maximum value of E will be E naught. That is, if sin omega t is equal to 1, then the maximum value of E, that will be equal to B A omega only. And one thing we should note here, if we take n turns, number of turns, then we can write here n. We can multiply by n. If we take n turns in the basic formula, we can multiply by n. So here E is equal to NBA omega, and its value is maximum, that is peak value. So E naught is equal to NBA omega. This is the peak value, that is maximum value. And here we can say that E is equal to E naught sin omega t. The sine curve, its curve will be like that, sinusoidal. This is the complete loop. This is the time t and it is E. This is E naught. That is, E naught is the maximum value. This is the peak value in positive direction, peak value in negative direction, peak value, peak value, peak value. This is complete time period, that is t, from here to here, and similarly, and so on. So we see that the AC induced voltage is also sinusoidal. Now, for the sake of other concepts regarding AC generator, we can deeply understand, we can deeply make study, but for your class 12th purpose, I think the explanation, the lecture which I have given today is much more sufficient. Now, if I want to say the total explanation in a nutshell, then I would say that we have to know 4 points: definition, principle, diagram, and theory. In theory, phi is equal to ba cos theta, theta is equal to omega t. Differentiate, you will get the value of E, and E is equal to E naught sin omega t. Diagram was very simple. North south pole, in between that a current carrying armature, that is coil, was kept, and two slip rings, two brushes, carbon brushes, that are connected to the load resistance R. So this is the simple diagram which you can make. No need to go in very depth, because you want a study, a simple study for class 12th. It is sufficient for you. Okay.